In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Spreadsheet widget in Jotform, and we're going to do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Jotform user or just getting started, this tutorial will walk you through the straightforward yet powerful tool that lets you integrate a spreadsheet directly into your form. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's quite simple to create one, but for today, let's assume your account is all set up. After logging in, navigate to the My Forms section of your account. This is your central hub where all of your forms are organized, so locate the form in which you'd like to add the spreadsheet. Now let's open your form in the Jotform form builder. This tool provides a user-friendly interface for editing and designing your form. Once you have your form open in the editor, you'll see a range of options to customize your form. At the top left, there's an Add Element button, symbolized by a plus sign. Click on this button to reveal a menu full of form elements and widgets. Within this menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Widgets. Click on that tab and in the search bar, type in Spreadsheet Widget. This search will quickly bring up the option you're looking for. Once you've located the Spreadsheet widget, you have two options to add it to your form. You can simply drag and drop it into your form where you'd like it to appear, or you can just click on it and it will automatically be added. This flexibility allows you to place your spreadsheet precisely where it's most useful to you or your form users. Next, let's focus on configuring the widget settings. Look for the small wand icon. Clicking this icon will open up the widget settings panel. Here you can customize the spreadsheet exactly to your preferences. You might want to adjust the number of columns and rows, or perhaps set default values that align with how you plan to use the spreadsheet. These settings offer a fantastic way to start your form from a structured base. After configuring your spreadsheet widget just the way you like, remember to save your changes. Look for the Update Widget button and give that a click. It's crucial to hit this button as it ensures all your customizations are saved and your spreadsheet will function as intended when you deploy your form. And there you have it, a fully customized spreadsheet widget integrated into your Jotform form in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you enhance your Jotform experience. Happy form building!